Hello everyone! Today we are learning how to multiply and divide by 10, 100, 1000 and their multiples. This is a super useful skill, so let's get started. Now here is the big idea. When we multiply by 10, every digit shifts one place to the left and we write a 0 in the ones place. When we multiply by 100, the digits shift 2 places to the left, and by 1000 they shift 3 places. So we just add zeros. Dividing does the opposite. The digits shift to the right, 1 place for 10, 2 places for 100, and 3 places for 1000. And for a multiple, like 30, we split it. Times 30 means times 3, then times 10. To divide by 600, we divide by 6, then by 100. Do you see? We break it into easy steps. Alright, let's try a question. Here is our worked example. A factory makes 24 toy cars every minute. Each toy car is sold for $30. How much money does the factory collect from the toy cars made in 100 minutes? Let's work it out together. First, let's find the number of cars in 100 minutes. 24 times 100. We shift the digits 2 places to the left and add 2 zeros, so 24 times 100 equals 2400 cars. Next, each car is sold for $30, so we need 2400 times $30. Notice that 30 is a multiple of 10. Let's split the multiple. Times 30 is times 3, then times 10. First, 2400 times 3 equals 7200. Now we multiply by 10. We shift 1 place left and add 1 zero. So 7200 times 10 equals $72,000. Well done. So let's state our answer clearly. The factory collects $72,000 from the toy cars made in 100 minutes. Before we go, let's remember the key points. Multiplying by 10, 100, or 1000 shifts the digits left and adds 1, 2, or 3 zeros. Dividing by 10, 100, or 1000 shifts the digits right and removes zeros, or makes a decimal. For a multiple, split it. Times 30 is times 3, then times 10. And divide by 600 is divide by 6, then divide by 100. And always check your zeros. Count them carefully before you write your answer. Great job today. See you next time.